Hey, I tell you what, guys, this is stuff that you do down here when you building these old, trucks and stuff, man. I brought this all the way down Pennsylvania here with me to Carlisle. I brought it from Bristol, and I told my buddy, laughed at me. He laughed at me. He was like, "You ain't gonna do nothing with that hood, Chris," because I got two of them. I actually got three hoods, but I'm using one of them. And I said, you know what? I can either find me a better hood, or maybe I can find some parts. And what we'll do is, I can trade some parts with a trade up. And that's what I'm doing. So. All right, guys, we at Walnut Bottom Diner. See here, it's the next day here, guys, Carlisle, and we're about to head to the swap meet and everything. And I tell you what, if you want some good breakfast, boy, this Walnut Bottom Diner, man, that thing is, I tell you, they put it on you. So if you ever come to Carlisle to a car show, come stop here and eat you some breakfast. So it's early in the morning. It's probably about 34 degrees. We're about to head out to the car show, guys, and I'll see you there. Those the old knockoffs, wheels, the takeoffs. All right, so we're here early, man. It's cold. We're gonna go inside a couple of buildings. We didn't look at the buildings yesterday. So it's early in the morning here, man. I tell you, right now it's pretty daggone cold when we get an early start. Big old gas pump. That's kind of almost like the one we brought last year, ain't it?
It is. Earlier it didn't have the phone on it.
That'd be a good little starter pump for somebody, won't it?
$5.50 for that one.
Huh?
$5.50 for that one.
That's how much you want for it?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I may check that out. And we can get all the parts for that, can't we? This is building T. Oh man, they got all kinds of stuff in that store. I thought a place like this, you want to get here early. I know I would.
Man, it's just too cold for these people to be out here too early, dude.
Yeah. That's the Buick or...
I did one of them out of the Buick one time. 55 Buick. I had to take the ass in and did that. I sold it though.
Yeah, no, that's something like that's pretty popular. I've seen people do that stuff. I was gonna say, yeah, they ain't start playing that loud music yet.
What loud music?
Oh no, speaker, the intercoms, they normally playing that loud music. I guess the DJ ain't in yet.
It's still early.
Yeah. Come back, check these out.
How you doing?
Good, man. You doing all right?
Good.
I refurbished one of these.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they look really good. It's starting to pick up, and also the sun's starting to come out a little bit. We're gonna walk around and see if we can just find little knickknacks. That's what we normally do on the second day. Look like a tree fell in the middle of this. I'm just look at this. Oh man, that sucks. God, that sucks. Look at that, look like a tree fell in the middle of that thing. That's crazy. I had to break down and get me a jacket. It was just too cold. But he gave me a pretty good deal on this old jacket. I like it because it got like the, if you're at nighttime, little security stripes and stuff on it. And it's waterproof. So I like it. I tell you what, man, that's nice and nippy out here, that's for sure. Ooh, that's a long sucker. She's long. That thing's sitting down low too, ain't it?
You got an arrow.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's actually snowing. Look at that. Can you see that snow? It just started snowing. That's not good. That's not good at all. But I tell you what, guys, we're gonna. It is something, man. I tell you, we're gonna go back. I got another load to take to the car, to the truck, and I actually found another rear fender. And I actually brought a 53, 47, and 53 hood with me, and I think we're gonna do some swapping. So I'm gonna take that hood down to this gentleman, and we're gonna see if we can do some trading.
Just bring them down.
And I think I've basically, this will be all the parts that I've got actually that I need. And I actually got this here for my fifth wheel and some miscellaneous things. But I think we might have to call today. It's gonna be a short day, guys, I can tell. But hey, this is still fun, man. I love it. I love it. All right, I'm back here at the truck now. We're gonna put this stuff up and go head back out. Hey, I tell you what, guys, this is stuff that you do down here when you building these old trucks and stuff, man. I brought this all the way down Pennsylvania here with me to Carlisle. I brought it from Bristol, and I told my buddy, laughed at me. He laughed at me. He was like, "You ain't gonna do nothing with that hood, Chris," because I got two of them. I actually got three hoods, but I'm using one of them. And I said, you know what? I can either find me a better hood, or maybe I can find some parts. And what we'll do is I can trade some parts with a trade up, and that's what I'm doing. So I try to sell it, head over to my buddy's places here at the swap meet, and I'm not able to sell it, which is only the first day or second day really. So I found some rear fenders that I really need, that's hard to find, for that 55 First Series. So he told me to bring it on over and we'll do some swapping. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can take for it, guys. I think we should be getting close. Hopefully I won't have to walk too far, but I think it's the next 2 more hours down. Make sure I didn't pass it. Yeah, I think it's a little bit ways down. So I'll turn you guys back on once I get to his place. All right, crew, so we up here. He got a lot of cool stuff here. So he said he's gonna be here from now on. He got a lot of cool stuff. But that's the hood with the snow off of it that I brought down here. He got a lot of 47 or 53 front fenders and stuff. Now I tell you what, when we first got here, if I would have known I could have got these fenders like this, which I did, I probably would have just went on ahead and came here and picked up me some fenders because it's original stuff. But anyway, we got this green one here. As you see, this is the cutout for the spare tire, man. So I'm excited. We're gonna go ahead and pick it up. We're gonna take this, we're gonna head back to the truck and put it in the truck, guys. That's pretty neat. Look, candy. That's different. That's cool. I always like unique, different stuff. So it finally stopped snowing, which we knew it was. I think it was just little snow flurries for a good 30 minutes, and it stopped. Now it's just a little wet, and the sun is trying to come out. But I tell you what, guys, we have done a lot of searching for parts and looking around at all this cool stuff, and we actually got everything that we came for. The only thing that I didn't get was a hood. I actually traded a hood that I was just trying to get an upgrade to a better hood and everything. But other than that, we got everything that we came out here for, guys. And we've been out here for, like I said, a day and a half.
Did you, sir?
Oh yeah.
Walk already?
Like we've been here since yesterday. We walked everything twice at least.
So can't blame you for the snow earlier.
Oh man, I tell you, I was loving it though.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
I don't know if I even had water. I couldn't remember.
Bonanza. That's my Western show there. All right, guys, so as you guys see, the sun has finally came back out, which I am so glad and so thankful, because I tell you what, a lot of people put a lot of hard work into putting this show together. And I tell you, at first I said, oh man, it's not looking too good, but it was just some snow flurries coming down, which we knew it was not going to last long. We basically sat in the truck for about 15-20 minutes. It was coming down pretty hard at one time, but we knew it was going to last. So I'm glad, as you guys see, the sun is out, man. And hey, I'm having a blast, man. I tell you, I love, as you guys see, I love wheeling and dealing and stuff. We come here once or twice a year. And I tell you what, it's a lot of hidden treasures here, man. But it's good to see people out and about. You know, everybody out here working hard. They're, some people trading, some people are selling. I came with a few items which I got rid of. I had a list. I got everything on my list. So hey, this is what I live for, man. I love coming out here every year, showing you guys some awesome content and stuff. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you guys like videos like this, definitely write down comments below on this type of stuff that you like. As you guys saw, I actually had to break down and buy me a jacket. I left my jacket at the house. But hey, they have everything out here for everybody, man. If you're a car guy or car girl, definitely is the place to be. So anyway, we're gonna finish walking through probably a couple more aisles here in Carlisle. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up down there. If you, like I said, continue to write comments down below some of the things that you'd like to see more on my channel. So hey, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get out of here. And if you guys really like this video, go ahead and subscribe, because I have so much more content to bring you guys. And hey, like I tell everybody, man, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out. I'll definitely catch you guys on the next video.